There are many challenges living in a third world country for goods, services, and supplies.
To me, it's getting better. I think it's just that sometimes he eat, and when he eat, he knock himself on some board and stuff like that. So I said, it will get better. It's just something hurt up.
Yeah. Torrential sudden squalls create many challenges in transporting goods and supplies and wash away much work that has previously been done on the island. Coming back in this big rain, oh my goodness. I see Ernie, but who's under the yellow tarp? Is it Dan? Oh my God. Dan. And Orion. Oh my God. Oh my word. Oh no. Horses can get rain rot from being wet all the time. The fungus creates a crusty surface on the skin as well as hair loss. Parasite infection and malnutrition both weaken immune systems.
Hello, sweetheart. Hello, sweetheart.
Medical supplies are scarce and difficult to obtain.
Yeah. See, more's coming over.
Grain is readily available, however, a grain-dominant diet can cause colic in horses, which is often fatal. Going for supplies or food means traveling first by boat to the mainland, then several hours by car to the nearest village.
That's like the barge for the island right now that takes all the material and heavy stuff over.
This one here?
Yeah.
The feed store has limited supplies and is a half-day trip. Basic medical supplies and grooming supplies are quite costly.
But like I said, it depends for the feed.
Yes, you're looking much better, sweetheart. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Okay. Okay. The only hay to be found in Belize is grown in the northwestern region by Mennonites. Bye.
Happy New Year. Very nice.
Walking out to another end of the property where we are going to be tilling the soil to plant Mombasa grass seed for the horses so that they will have future food.
If it was just all sand, then it would have been brittle. You know, it has composure, so you could put it together. It stays together. It has moisture on the inside. Now is the best time since we're getting these half and hour rains. It's not too much rain that it will drum it, and it's just enough to keep the area moist so that these could get going. And after these get going, then it doesn't need much water to go. It will just continue on its own. Within the next few months, we should have them fully grown.
Wonderful. You have to send me photos.
I will keep you posted. I will definitely keep in touch.
Yeah. Let's go. Had some rain last night and this morning. Okay, taking these two to groom them. Maybe the others will be following us. Yep, a couple of them. All right.